that's the whole key to the whole money bag way, whatever you want to call it, is you want to take on enough clients where you can afford to pay somebody to work for you, and then you offload some of that work to them, and then you can take on more clients and you can offload that work with the whole intention of getting it down to where you only work on the stuff you actually want to work on. Like, I personally don't like sitting down and writing emails as much as I used to. I like thinking of the campaign and the strategy behind it. So I have people that turn in the writing for me outside of one of my clients. It's a personal thing for me. So I still write everything for that client. But all the other people, I have somebody that writes for them, sends it to me. I quality check it. I edit it, layer it, etc. Like, I'm not saying I'm the best email copywriter ever, but I'm pretty good at what I do. So I make sure the email is good. I make sure the subject line makes sense, etc. And then I turn that in at, like, as far as like sending it to that client's email list. So it's the same way with you and everybody that's watching this. Your intention shouldn't be to take on as many clients as possible. It should be to take on enough clients so that you can build a team around you, so that you can free up your time to do the stuff you actually want to do, whether it's focusing on the work that you actually enjoy, or whether it's traveling for a couple months, whatever it is you want to do. So that's why you want to be doing the outreach and growing your income, so you can hire a team around you and have an actual business. That way you're not trading a 9 to 5 to become a freelancer, and then you're working around the clock all the time. You want to actually have a business. That's the whole reason, at least that's why I got in it, is I wanted to have a business. I didn't want to be trading 40, 50 hours a week for the rest of my life. I wanted to have an actual income that would grow as I needed it to, and I could establish a system around me so that I could do whatever I wanted. Like, I can wake up when I want, I can go to bed when I want, I don't have to ask for permission to go anywhere. Why? Well, because I've built an actual business. And that's what I want everybody that goes through the Freelancer Profit Manual, all of you that are watching this, I want you to have an actual business. That way you can have an actual life. Like, so if you want to meet up in like in real life with other War MGs, you can be enjoying yourself without having to worry about, oh man, I've got to wake up tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. so I can be, fuck that. Like, that's not living.